'Cause yeah, sometimes we'll feel alone in a sec.
Hey family, hey, what's going on? Yancy here. Welcome if you are new, welcome back if you've been, you guys. All right, so happy Sunday. All right, so today, as you can see by the title, I am doing a bag unboxing, a bag reveal, whatever you want to call it, you guys. That's what I'm doing. It's kind of a mixture of new bag unboxing and what I got for Valentine's Day. All right, so I did get these things a little bit sooner than Valentine's Day because I just didn't want them to actually sell out. So I'm going to unbox these two things with you guys. So I guess the first thing I need to do is just introduce myself because we do have a few new people here. All right, so welcome. My name is Yancy. All right, my channel is all about luxury, lifestyle, home decor, inspo, and more. Luxury, lifestyle, just everything about my house, everything about me, everything about what I like. If that's something that interests you, you guys go ahead and subscribe. I would greatly appreciate it. And make sure that you hit that bell. That way you're always notified every single time I upload. That way I don't miss you, you don't miss me, and we're here. All right? All right. Okay, so let's just go ahead and get into it because I'm sure you could probably see this little cutie right here. I do have two bags to unbox. I don't know if you really want to call one a bag, but we're going to get into it anyway. So before I do that though, I do want to kind of show you a little bit of what I did get because it's not just bags. Everything is incorporated into like my home and what I like and everything like that. So I did actually want a few things from Pottery Barn. Yes, that's what I wanted. I wanted some home decor from Pottery Barn because honestly, to tell you the truth, every day is Valentine's Day for me when it comes to my husband, right? So that's just what it is. We just don't celebrate like just one day or whatever like that. So nothing really kind of like leads up to the day because, you know, it's always like, hey, do you like this? Or hey, I'm thinking about getting that. Can I do that? So, you know, if you can relate, just comment below, all right? But either which way, I'm going to insert a picture of two vases that I recently picked up from Pottery Barn. That is going to be the Joshua ceramic vase. I got it in the white and the large, and I also bought it in the small and the black. So I'm gonna go ahead and insert a picture of those, that way you can kind of get an idea. I had an unboxing with those, but I kind of lost that footage, you guys. So you're just gonna see it unopened and styled. Mind you, I do have the larger one on my dining room table. I'm not too sure if I'm going to keep it styled the way it is. But for right now, I kind of am just playing around with the decor in that one and kind of seeing what I want to do. But I know I'd need a lot more sticks or like picks or whatever like that in there. So if you guys have some suggestions, if you have this vase, tell me how you styled it, you know, just what you did with it, where you put it, so on and so forth. All right, so let's go ahead and just take a look at that and then just tell me what you think.
Hey family, hey. All right, so this is my Joshua ceramic vase from Pottery Barn. This is the large one. I actually really love the way this looks. I'm not really feeling the decor in there. I was trying to see how this looks, but again, I have to play with it a little bit. I did get these sticks from Michael's as well as the, what is this called? Oh my gosh, you guys, I am blanking. So pampas grass. I am so sorry. But yes, I got the pampas grass from Michael's as well. I actually thought it was fake, but it's not. So Michael's apparently sells real pampas grass. All right. So I definitely need to make this a little bit fuller, you know, just kind of put more things in there. And that's what I'm doing right now, just playing around with it. So I didn't take the tags off because again, I don't know if I'm going to keep it, but I do like the way it looks on the table. So I think that's my, you know, best bet right now for how this looks and how I'm going to style it. This is the idea that I'm going for. But again, I love the vase. I love the way it looks. It's very heavy. It didn't come cracked. It didn't come chipped. So again, they packaged this very well. So if you are looking to buy this vase, I would definitely do so because Pottery Barn did a really great job. So I love it.
All right, so now that we are back from showing you those beautiful vases, once again, I got those from Pottery Barn. I will go ahead and link those below in the description box, you guys. That way you can kind of like get a hold of those. I had to order the white one in the store because they didn't have it there. The black one I actually purchased from the actual store, but I did like a little pickup or whatever like that. So I got it like the same day or whatever. So just check your local Pottery Barn, or if you're not close to one, you can always do it online. The larger one is really heavy. So they have a small, medium, and large, and the larger one is like really heavy. But they package it really well. I will say that. Both of them came packaged really well. I had no issues. There was no dents. There was no chips. There was no cracks. Pottery Barn did a really good job. So, you know, I know it's not always going to be that way, but I felt like they did a really good job in packaging it. All right. All right. So let's get into this little bag because I've been dying to use it since I got it. All right. All right. So as you can see, I'm going to get a little bit closer. This is from Longchamp. All right. So I was really excited. I have another bag on my wish list from Longchamp that I really want to get. I saw it somewhere and I need to find it because I literally have to show you guys this bag. It's really cute. And I know right now, especially with Fashion Month, Fashion Week, everything that's going on in New York, in Paris, in Milan, big bags are making a comeback. I've literally always worn big bags. This is never out of style for me because I used to always just pack everything in there. But lately I've been into smaller bags, things that kind of just, you know, serve a certain purpose for that time. So this is kind of something that's one of them. All right. So either which way, I'm not going to talk too much. I'm just going to unbox this. I've seen it already. Same with the other one because I just wanted to make sure everything was good to go. It was in good condition, no issues, no problems. But I did it online on Longchamp. So yeah, and it was not too expensive, you know, because Longchamp is actually starting to get up there in their prices. You know, you can still get the late pliage bag for a good price or whatever, but you know, some of their other bags that they're starting to come out with, you know, it's up there, but you know, hey, you pay for fashion, right? So let's go ahead and unbox this. I'm gonna unbox this with you. I loved the packaging. I love the way it came. I think we did opt for packaging though. So if it's for someone, or even if you want to buy it for yourself, always opt for the packaging because they'll package it really nicely. Whereas, you know, if you order something from Chanel, whether it's beauty, whatever, they're always going to package it nicely no matter what. There's no extra or anything like that. And there was no extra for the packaging. It was just, I opted to have packaging so it can look nice. Let's get into it. Oh. All right, look. So this is, and you can see the label right there, but this is actually the Longchamp Le Pliage Pouch. Yes, so it's very gold, it's very sparkly. The material is kind of like I don't even know how to describe it, but I'll just put it down below or whatever like that once I kind of like figure it out. But that's kind of like the material. So it's just really nice. This is definitely a going out bag. This is a New Year's Eve bag. This is a date night bag. This is, you know what, I'm trying to make a statement bag. So it's cute because it's a pouch. As you can see, you have these two snaps right here, just like that. And then that's just how the bag is. So I have to kind of like, you know, form it, shape it, or whatever like that. There's no feet at the bottom, but as you can see, it snap closes to form like a handle for you to carry. And then of course you have like a zipper opening. So nothing in there, but I'll do a full-blown review, you guys, and I'll do what fits in my bag probably the following week because I kind of just want to mess around with this bag a little bit, kind of see what fits. And I actually found a organizer that fits in here that can keep the shape, and then I can easily, you guys know I love my organizers. I don't care what anybody says. I love my organizers because they come in handy. So like I said, I am going to get an organizer that fits perfectly in here, which I think I found, and I believe I found it on Amazon. So once that comes in, I will go ahead and show you guys what that looks like. But if it doesn't come in time after I order it, I'll still do a what fits in my bag, and then I'll go ahead and update that, or I'll just do a what fits in my bag for this bag, and then I'll do this one later, whatever, or I'll do this in a short or whatever like that. But yeah, this is my Le Pliage pouch. So All right, you guys, so the next bag that I actually kind of like spotted, it was on like my radar in a way, because I actually just saw it. I don't know when I saw it, but I saw it and I thought it was cute. So it really is something that, you know, you can carry every day. You can use it for whatever you want to use it for. You know, it's not that expensive, so you know, you don't have to baby it or anything like that. But let's just get into it. This particular bag is from Saint Laurent, as you can see. So I do like the way they package this one as well. I can't remember if I opted, you know, for the bag, because I think it does ask you if you want the bag. You don't pay anything extra or whatever like that, but basically they're giving you the bag as if you went into the store and they put this inside of it. So that's what that is. But yes, this is how it came packaged. I think it's cute. As you can see, it is a smaller bag as well. So let's go ahead and unbox this, you guys. All right, so that is receipt, all of the info. All right, you guys, this is my brand new Saint Laurent. As you can see, I believe it's the, all right, so this is my brand new Saint Laurent tote, you guys. So I believe this is part of the, I want to say the Driote collection, but again, I will put it below or whatever like that. I did see this. This is something that is, you know, not new. They've had these collections for a while. They just kind of changed the wording. This particular one says everything now, and I like that. And then it also has Saint Laurent at the bottom. This is actually under $100, so I think that's why I really liked it. It's really cute, you guys. Of course, as you can see, it's just one big pocket. You can use it for anything. You can put, like, you know, your laptop in here. You can actually put an iPad in here. Your phone can definitely fit in here. You can have your keys, your wallet, key card, or card holder or whatever. So I'm sure there's a lot of things that fit in here, and I'll definitely do a review in what fits in my bag in this cutie, but I thought it was cute. It fits over my arm, barely, but it still fits nonetheless. So I think it's cute, but it's really cute. I think it's a nice little bag that, like I said, you can even use it for when you go to the store, whether you're making, like, you know, Trader Joe's run, you know, a Publix run, a grocery store run, it doesn't really matter. You can just kind of throw some things in here. I would say keep this in your car or whatever like that. Keep a few things in there. This can easily be a gym bag also. You know, you don't need too much, you know what I mean? So just change your clothes, deodorant, so on and so forth. But again, I will do a full-blown what fits in my bag, measurements and everything like that. But, you know, the material is very strong, very thick. I think the handles are pretty strong as well. But yeah, I like the bag. I think it's cute. I think it's adorable. Again, I will definitely try to leave the link below. But again, it's under $100, you guys, so you can't go wrong, especially coming from Saint Laurent. But yeah. All right, you guys, so that is it. That is my 2 bag unboxings and my total what I got for Valentine's Day. All right, so I'm very happy. I love both the bags. I love both of my vases. So at the end of the day, I would definitely go for the vase because it just kind of, like, you know, brings a little pop to, you know, your decor or whatever like that. The bag is a stunner. I love the bag. I just need to find a place to go to to put that in, which I have several in mind, and I'm waiting on my organizer, all right, my insert to go in there. And I think once I do that, or once that comes, it'll just make it just all the better or whatever. So either which way, you guys, hopefully you enjoy the video. Hopefully you love the bags. If you did, let me know. If you didn't, let me know. Either which way, you are entitled to your opinion, all right? But I will go ahead and leave everything below, you guys. Once again, do not forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share. Greatly appreciate it, all right? Once again, do not forget to hit that bell notification, you guys. That way you're notified, all right? So enjoy the rest of your Sunday. I will see you back here on Thursday. Yes, that's when we're uploading. All right. So talk to you later. Bye bye.